Hi, this is SY Sublime, and today I'm going to finish the put the plug in that I made yesterday. This is 3/4 inch mahogany plug that I made yesterday for it, and it's got a pretty tight fit. And then I'm just going to tap it down with the mallet. I've got some epoxy here to mix up, and I'll get this epoxy mixed up and we'll get it in. So I've got my epoxy mixed up and I'm ready to get this in there now. Can't do this one-handed, so I'll get it done like this. Okay, I got it into that point. Now I've got to go downstairs and check to see if it goes flush with the underside of the anchor locker. And then I have to adjust to see if I have to hit it some more. There's the plug right there. It'll come down another 1/4 inch. We gotta start doing that. So it's the bottom of the plug there. So it's my anchor locker in here. See if that's down. See if that's landed. Oh. Oh. Shoot. Bugger. Whew. A little bit more to go. Bugger. A couple more. About 3 or 4 millimeters to go. Should be it. Oh wow. Fly by a C3. Wow. Woo, cool. I really have to get some better camera equipment. See if it's flush now. I guarantee it'd be a lot easier to get this right now than it would be to bang it from in this side. A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. Some harder wax, I think. bugger. That should be it. So I've epoxied this in, driven it down. Well, that epoxy's going off already. No wonder it's not moving. So it's down as far as it's going to go because the epoxy's gone off already. So I'll have to wait, I guess, and then I'll just sand the top of this disc back. This plug back. So as I said yesterday, this plug didn't line up with my anchor roller for the winch, and I'd have to cut a half moon out anyway for the anchor winch to go down. My bulkhead is about here, so I don't have a lot of room to put the motor for the windlass here. So I could put it back here. Back here would be inside the inside the V-berth. The bulkhead runs here, so that's the only place for it. So I'll just move the windlass over so it's offset about here, and then the line will travel. The chain will travel here, so it's nice and lined up. So that epoxy's gone off already. I'm going to leave that overnight to cure. I'll probably be cured by this afternoon, and I can probably just sand it back this afternoon, and I'm probably going to glass it on Sunday. So I'll put some plastic over it and protect it from the dew, and I'll glass it on Sunday. But that epoxy's gone off already. It's not going anywhere. If there's any gap on the other, bugger. If there's any gap on the other side, I'll just fill it with filler. So anyway, so this is SY Sublime. It's a nice day here in Long Beach. It's about 75 degrees at the moment. Slight breeze. That's about it, really. So this is SY Sublime out.